미국 워싱턴주. 콜롬비아 강이 드넓게 펼쳐진 이곳은 워슈걸이라는 작은 도시입니다. 차갑고 습하지만 겨울에도 혹독한 추위가 없는 곳. 이곳에 우리 가족들이 살고 있습니다. 딸 줄리아나는 올해 6살. 아침 이슬처럼 예쁜 나이입니다. 헝클어진 모습을 질색하는 새침한 아이죠. 덕분에 늘 남편이 고생입니다. 도무지 여자아이 머리는 만지기가 힘들다나요? 차라리 인공호흡기가 쉽답니다. 진짜 할 일은 지금부터입니다.
Nebulizer with concentrated albuterol and with 7% hypertonic saline together, and that kind of starts thinning the mucus secretions in her lungs and gets things loose so that they're ready to come out.
혼자서는 숨 쉬는 것조차 힘든 여린 생명. 수많은 의료기기들이 삶을 지탱해 줍니다. 나는 그런 아이의 엄마입니다.
Can you wink with one eye?
Smile.
오늘은 스케줄이 제법 빠듯합니다.
The Ant family even spread out on a napkin.
줄리아나의 언어 치료 시간.
You want to hold both together like this?
종이 한 장 옮기기 힘든 팔다리처럼 아이의 목소리도 약해지고 있습니다.
And what sound does H make?
폐의 기능이 떨어져서 발음이 분명치가 않죠.
Now what letter do we have? Oh, what letter though? E, right? You want to fix your hose?
I want to use my hose.
Oh, for her nose. Okay, gotcha. There you go. That's perfect. Ready? Ellie, elephant. Perfect.
호흡기를 코끼리 코라고 하네요.
I say yes.
정말 영특하고 사랑스러운 아이입니다. 이러니 딸바보가 되지 않을 수가 없죠.
When she was about 9 months old, she wasn't doing the things like pulling up to stand and that kind of stuff that a 9-month-old should do. So at about a year, we started taking her to physical therapy and that kind of thing. She got the diagnosis of CMT at about 18 months. But at that point, it was only problems like not walking and, weakness. She didn't start having respiratory issues till she was until age 3.
너무나 어여쁜 아이였습니다. 하지만 세상의 모든 축복도 모자란 아이의 몸에 가혹한 병이 숨어 있었죠. 아빠로부터 받은 유전질환, CMT.
Walk, Juliana. It was really hard. I mean, it was really, really hard. I think that, when we first got the diagnosis, all our efforts were focused on trying to get her the best treatment possible. And, at first we were determined, at least I was determined to make her walk. And so I tried to do everything, just to do everything perfectly. And if you try to be perfect for everything, you set yourself up for failure, and then so that was hard.
손과 발에 있는 말초 신경에는 신경세포를 감싸는 수초가 있죠. 여기에 유전자 돌연변이가 생긴 병이 샤르코 마리투스, 즉 CMT입니다. 그래서 손과 발의 근육이 위축되고 모양이 변하기도 하죠.
Small calves and skinny feet.
with high arches. That, when you put it together with some other things like the lack of ankle reflexes, now we're getting somewhere. But just looking, it's not. That doesn't mean a whole lot. It's something, but it's not enough to draw. Okay, he has that. He's got CMT. No, you have to combine it with other things. So you get no ankle reflexes. Oh, okay. So now it's time for a nerve conduction study, and that's much more definitive way to determine.
아빠처럼 어떤 사람들은 일상생활에 전혀 문제가 없지만 줄리아나는 달랐습니다. 증상은 일찍 나타났고 빠르게 악화됐습니다. 스스로 움직이던 팔다리는 포크조차도 들기 힘들어졌고 아이는 성장하는 대신 몸의 기능을 하나씩 잃어갔습니다. 줄리아나의 오빠 알렉스입니다. 티격태격 2살 터울.
The tunnel? I'm gonna make a tunnel.
아이들에게 가장 좋은 친구는 아빠 스티브죠. 알렉스는 물론이고 줄리아나까지 아우르는 놀이를 늘 생각해냅니다.
You want to be part of the tunnel? I feel like a tunnel? Are you in the tunnel?
꿈이 아메리칸 닌자라는 알렉스가 오늘 좀 들떠 있습니다. 멀리서 외할머니가 오셨거든요. 어머닌 제가 2살 때 이민을 오셨죠.
Not tonight.
I don't, not tonight. I'll make hoba. He like hoba most.
Straight kimchi, cabbage kimchi, a little strong for me. Like onions and pickles, strong for me. So I like things that are a little bit mellower. Kimchi jjigae and.
남편 스티브는 공군 조종사였습니다. 무슨 인연인지 한국으로 파병돼서 저를 만났죠. 제가 군의관으로 일할 때였습니다. 우린 사랑에 빠졌고 2006년 결혼을 했습니다. 그리고 더 바랄 것도 없이 예쁜 가정을 꾸렸죠.
It's like yummy food.
Can I help you?
Can you help me? Sure, you can help me. It's okay. You can just put a couple of them. You can put in home is full. Thank you. Thank you.
친정어머니가 오면 두루두루 좋은 일이 많습니다.
A little over an hour.
That's it?
맛있어요.
Thank you.
맛있는 음식은 물론이고요. 많은 일을 거들어 주셔서 아이들에게 더 많은 시간을 내줄 수 있죠. 줄리아나가 아프고 난 후부턴 다 함께 밥 한 끼 먹기가 힘들었었거든요.
It was always difficult to feed her. She would, when she was eating, it was very
What's
slow.
that big breast thing?
So
Wow.
sometimes we would spend at least 6 hours a day just feeding her because it was very slow.
아마도 그건 신경질환의 첫 번째 증상이었을 겁니다. 줄리아나는 1년 전부터 음식을 먹지 못합니다. 아니, 보다 정확히 말하자면 입으로 먹지 못한다고 해야겠죠. 줄리아나는 이렇게 음식을 먹습니다.
It's her feed. It's her food.
하루 4번 하는 식사.
This is her cup.
음식을 씹으면 자칫 질식할 위험이 있어서 이런 도구를 사용하게 된 것이죠.
76 mLs per hour. So that's the rate. You know, you can get through the nose, but that you can't keep that in. It's not a permanent thing. So when you need it for a long time, you have to do it through the stomach. So you have to make a little surgery and do it through the stomach.
지금으로서는 가장 안전한 방법. 하지만 즐거움은 없습니다.
She can lick things sometimes, like cake or cookies. She can lick it. She misses that, but it's not safe to swallow. So we have to use this. Juliana, I'm going to go to work, okay?
이제 내가 서둘러야 할 시간이 됐습니다.
I love you. You have a good day, okay? I'll see you later. Oh, it's not nice. All right, come on. Bye. All right, let's go.
출근해야 할 시간입니다. 얼마 전부터 우리 부부는 할 일을 나눠 하기로 했습니다. 내가 바깥일을 하는 대신 남편이 집안을 돌보기로 했죠. 나는 신경과 의사입니다. 딸의 병에 대해선 누구보다 잘 알고 있죠. 하지만 더 많이 안다는 건 중요하지 않습니다. 아이에게 가장 좋은 일은 무엇일까? 그게 더 중요한 일이죠.
Hey, cutie. How are ya? So, what do you want to do?
친할머니와 할아버진 줄리아나를 위해 5분 거리로 이사를 오셨습니다.
Okay. Who's this?
Martha Todd,
And she is.
a party.
Does she have any special powers? What can she do?
Is that what she can do?
Can she talk like a person?
She can defeat dragons,
She can defeat dragons.
even without fire.
Okay, let's see if there's not much floor space left. She tells us how to move the characters around, and she builds her own story.
You know,
이 작은 세상은 줄리아나의 상상으로 가득한 셈이죠.
when I was little,
Who's she?
그런 딸이 가장 좋아하는 시간.
so I asked,
크리스틴은 미술치료 선생님입니다.
can you get the plant?
I'll let you hold the whole board. There we go. Purple boat.
인형놀이처럼 줄리아나의 이야기를 듣고 함께 그림을 그리죠.
Oh, is that big enough? Have you been practicing?
몸이 불편하다고 해서 못할 건 없습니다.
Okay,
Okay. What's next?
we need more water.
We need more water. There we go.
어쩌면 몸을 움직일 수 없기 때문에 상상력이 더 풍부해지는 것 같습니다.
What do you think?
Wow,
때론 침대가 마법의 카펫이라고 하는 엉뚱발랄한 아이니까요.
but I was scared.
Why were you scared?
I was scared I was going to drown.
One of my favorite things about Juliana's story is that she's always strong and she's always helpful. Juliana really loves being around people and she cares about people a lot. Yeah, there's a mermaid in this story. In this story, they're on their way to St. Louis. And so you were in a boat, but you put on your mask and jumped in the water. And she said, instantly she saw a mermaid who was caught.
I know.
드넓은 바닷속에는 인어가 살고 있습니다. 그런데 하필이면 산타인 척하는 나쁜 어부에게 잡히고 말았죠. 용감한 줄리아나는 나쁜 어부를 혼내주고 인어를 자유로운 바다로 돌려보내줍니다. 상상 속의 줄리아나는 힘이 세고 강한 아이입니다. 하나의 이야기가 완성될 때마다 어린 딸의 상상을 함께 즐기곤 합니다.
There you go. Like that.
Look at this.
Look at that.
I see Alex playing in the doorway and hanging from the
I see. Where are we
storage
at,
bins.
Juliana?
We're at the airplane.
On the airplane?
And she does want to.
And she does want to.
Oh,
yes.
okay, good.
That's nice that you asked her.
이야기 속의 줄리아나는 항상 어디론가 떠나고 있습니다. 비행기를 타고 하늘을 나는 꿈은 늘 아이를 행복하게 하죠. 나는 줄리아나의 이야기를 세상과 함께 나누고 있습니다. 블로그를 통해 때론 희망을, 때론 고통을 전합니다.
The reason I started it was because I just wanted to document Juliana's life, all of it, not like the medical stuff, the funny stuff, that kind of stuff. And I just wanted more people to know her. The response has been largely positive, so it's been very encouraging.
지금까지 줄리아나는 위험한 고비를 몇 번이나 넘겼습니다. 지난해 겨울엔 한 달이 넘게 중환자실에서 지냈죠. 고통스러운 치료를 마취도 없이 해야만 했습니다.
A lot of changes. I mean, it was very stressful in the beginning. I mean, it still is. And if she gets a cold today, she could be dead in a week. So that's looming over us. And if she wakes up in the middle of the night or cries out in the middle of the night, we have to rush to her side to see what's going on. So you're always on edge. So it's very stressful.
딸이 금방이라도 사라질 것 같아 온몸에 가시가 돋던 날들. 그러던 어느 날 아이와 대화를 나누게 됐죠. 줄리아나, 또 아프게 되면 그땐 어쩌지? 병원에 갈까? 병원에 가지 않으면 천국에 가야 할 수도 있어. 천국엔 엄마 아빠가 따라가지 못해.
It changed my thinking because before I thought, of course, if she gets sick again, we're just going to the hospital and maybe we can bring her home like we have before, like no question, like we're just going to go. This made me realize how hard it is for her, and that, you know, she herself was telling me she didn't want to go through it again. So it just changed my thinking in terms of I have to listen to her too. And so again, I don't know, I can't say we know what we're going to do, like if things happen again. Like I think I just don't, I can't say right now what we're going to do. But I think Steve and I, this conversation taught me that we have to listen to her.
Well, our next story is about the most wrenching decision a parent could ever face. Imagine your child was sick and doctors could not cure her. Imagine watching her suffer every time you took her to the hospital. Now imagine she told you she wanted to go to heaven. Would you honor her wish? What if she was just 5 years old?
Juliana Snow has
병원 대신 천국에 가겠다는 줄리아나의 소원. 그 이야기는 CNN을 통해 세계에 알려졌습니다.
Could you watch her go through that again, do you think?
Yeah. If I had to, I'd do it.
Would it save her life to do it again if she were to get an infection?
I don't think so.
You know, some people say like they're teaching her that life, they're teaching her that they don't value her life. They're not fighting hard enough. They're not trying hard enough. It shocks you. It kind of jars you because you're like, this is my child. It's like, you know, it's like, and they have no idea. They have no idea what we've been through. And so it shocks you. But then after you get over the shock, you realize nothing's really changed. Like, I'm still her mother. She's still my daughter. We still do everything we still, like, everything is about love and what's best for Juliana and our family. And so it doesn't really matter what they say because they don't really know anything. So.
어쩌면 가장 고통스러운 순간에 가장 좋은 깨달음이 찾아온 것이죠. 아이에게 중요한 건 매일이 행복해야 한다는 겁니다. 그리고 함께 시간을 보내는 것이죠.
I can't pay attention to you. Huh? You get one eye on each because I got two eyes. Oh, it's cross-eyed. Oh, that hurts. Let's see if I can do it. Keep one eye on you. Oh, that hurts.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetie. You need a mouth session? What'd you say?
You can spend all your time fighting to keep someone alive, but if you do that for the entire time they're alive, you miss out on that whole time. Just becomes a struggle and a fight instead of going through life with that person and enjoying a moment. So as one of the counselors who comes to see Juliana says, a lot of people don't get a chance to take the time to make a moment with the person that is about to die. And if you regret that afterwards, that you don't have that memory to cherish.
아이와 함께 시간을 보내기 위해 스티브는 가장 사랑했던 걸 포기했습니다. 공군 조종사로서의 모든 경력은 끝이 나버렸죠.
What was on the biscuit?
한 점 불만도 없이 남편은 집안일과 아이들을 돌보고 있습니다. 줄리아나도 그렇지만 알렉스에게도 관심을 가져야 합니다.
Hello.
Hi, Alex. Good job.
Hello.
알렉스는 요즘 태권도를 배우고 있습니다. 수줍음 많고 예민한 아이에게 딱 맞는 운동이죠. 아이 마음에 조금이라도 무거움이 있다면 훌훌 털어버렸으면 싶습니다. 아무래도 동생에게 기울어진 관심을 저도 알 테죠. 그래서 혼자 외로워질까봐 걱정입니다.
He's still a young boy and he needs support and love. So,
do you think he realizes family circumstances and he's trying
a little
to
bit
understanding?
He's trying to, but it's hard. It's hard for him. It's very hard. So.
이제 8살 나이. 줄리아나의 상황을 모두 이해시키기란 쉽지가 않습니다. 그래서 알렉스는 때론 목마른 아이처럼 사랑을 구하죠.
Yep, I'm okay.
답은 없습니다. 아픔의 무게만큼 더 안아주는 수밖에요.
Well, unfortunately, because of he's around kids all day and he gets colds a lot, we have to create the separation, which really, really pains me. And like if I'm with Juliana or if I have to be around and he comes home from school, he wants to give me a hug. And it's like, no, dude, you got to get a shower or something. You get it cleaned up before we can get close, because I don't want to. I don't want to rock the boat. I don't want to misuse the opportunity that we have to keep Juliana around by being careless with her care.
하지만 지난 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울 우리는 내내 행복했습니다. 우리에게 아무 일도 일어나지 않았던 거죠. 그래서 오늘은 더 특별한 날입니다.
It's been 2 years since you've seen Iwan. You will be great.
온 가족이 설레며 기다렸던 날.
안녕하세요. Say hi to Iwan. Hi,
추수감사절입니다. 미국 전역에 사는 친척들이 우리 집으로 왔습니다. 줄리아나를 위해서 독감 예방주사도 다 맞고 왔다네요. 그런데 알렉스가 중요한 임무를 맡았습니다.
What is it, Alex? Can you explain? So the CMT is the main American organization for CMT research. And so we are trying to raise money for them. This organization actually donated $6,000 so for genetic testing for us, for new genetic testing that's only recently available. So we want to try to raise money for them. Yes?
Thank you.
That's very
이건 CMT 재단을 홍보하는 팔찌입니다. 희귀 난치병은 아무래도 돈이 많이 드니까요.
Oh, let's put it on. Thank you, Juliana.
Oh, she likes your dress.
She loves yellow.
What do you think?
Oh, she loves you. I know. I'll tell her to stop.
Mommy did not do a great job, did I?
동생이 좋긴 좋나 보네요. 다른 사람은 얼씬도 못하는 침대에 선뜻 자리를 내어주네요. 여동생에겐 사랑이 넘치는 줄리아나입니다.
Juliana's in heaven, I think.
잘 구워진 칠면조구이. 추수감사절엔 이게 빠질 수가 없죠. 직접 요리도 하고 모자란 건 주문도 해서 한상 푸짐하게 차렸습니다.
God is so good. He's so good to me.
추수감사절은 신에 대한 감사를 함께 나누는 명절이죠. 오랜만에 북적거리는 거실이 참 따뜻합니다.
Oh, the one with the cap off. I didn't see that.
줄리아나의 네일샵이 열렸습니다. 늘 반짝반짝 공주 패션의 리더. 삼촌들 손톱을 가만히 두질 않네요.
Little chicken nugget. Oh. So we do this every time we come to Portland. Yeah.
You did a good job.
덤으로 애교도 날려줍니다. 이런 귀한 장면은 꼭 남겨둬야 합니다. 모두가 아이처럼 유쾌한 시간입니다.
It's changed, and obviously they've been through like a lot of challenges in the last couple years, but I think what we focus on is how like happy and bright she is, and she has like a great personality, and she's fun to be around, so we want to spend as much time with her as possible.
그날 밤 줄리아나의 이야기 극장이 열렸습니다.
There was a little girl named Juliana, but Josephine at her ball. And there's not book that Josephine was at the bar because she's scared of heights. And I was wide awake. Josephine was sound asleep in my arms. And then, after that, I me at a ball.
What did you do at the ball?
We danced and had a pie. apple pie, ice cream, brownies, and
어느새 줄리아나는 밤 하늘을 날고 있습니다. 옆에는 아기 조세핀이 있죠. 이상한 나라의 앨리스처럼 달콤한 간식들이 가득한 곳에서 배가 터져라 먹기도 합니다. 그리고 조세핀에게 왈츠를 가르쳐주죠. 상상 속에서 줄리아나는 타고난 춤꾼이거든요.
Look how calm she is.
What Michelle and Steve are trying to look out for is that they want her to have a dignified life and you know, a dignified passing. And so again, you know, I think part of the reason they're comfortable with that decision is because she can do that with dignity. Just as I think one of the real focuses of this whole thing needs to be that even though she's had these issues, even though she can't do anything for herself, she is still leading a very, very dignified life and a very beautiful life.
That's what they are. Happy. They make happy cakes.
You mean they put
They're happy about their cakes.
You mean that the cake is alive and it's happy because it gets eaten up?
A bunch, are you
Why
kidding?
did it say
집에 온 친지들을 위해 스티브가 특별한 케이크 가게를 찾았습니다.
This company, Cake Happy, is for the month of November, maybe in December too. They make cupcakes for Juliana, or with Juliana, a special Juliana cupcake. And part of the money they make from those cupcakes, they're going to contribute to the Charcot-Marie Tooth Association, CMTA, toward helping find a cure and treat CMT.
자그마치 수익의 반을 기부합니다.
We made a birthday cake for her this last year, so we got to know Michelle, her mom, a little bit and about her condition. So when she approached us to ask if we wanted to get involved, we didn't hesitate to want to do something to help.
벌써 반응이 좋습니다. 사랑은 힘이 세죠.
예를 들어서 얘가 입원했을 때 우리 큰 얘 유리의 오빠, 걔가 알렉스인데 걔가 다니는 학교에서 학부형들이 사인업 해가지고 저녁 식사를 2주 동안 댄 적이 있어요. 그러면은 저녁 때가 되면은 병원에서 오고 우리는 가고 쿡할 시간이 없는데 저녁을 완전히 준비해다가 집에다 갖다 놓는 거예요. 그 다음에 그릇까지 그냥 그릇은 학교로 보내면은 픽업을 해갈 정도로 그렇게 배려를 하는 사람들. 하여튼 여러 가지 지금 다 얘기를 이렇게 말씀을 드릴 수는 없지만 그런 그 사랑을 받고 그럴 때 저희 그 가슴이 따뜻해지고 갈 수 있는 힘들이 생기는 거였죠. 그래서
Trick or treat!
이게 대체 무슨 일일까요? 물론 할로윈은 한참 전에 지났습니다.
Do you like it? Do you want to wear it? Did you see Josephine? She's a tiger. Look, she's a tiger. Fierce.
어쨌든 줄리아나를 위해 참 열과 성을 다했습니다.
Okay, now what is it? Bread, and what does it have on it? And? Yeah, peanut butter and jelly sandwich! That's so great!
정말 다시 없을 사람들입니다. 이렇게 사랑스러울 수가 있을까요?
All of them. They brought Halloween.
So Juliana couldn't go trick-or-treating because the weather was too bad, and so when I wrote about it on the blog, all my cousins decided to dress up and do Halloween. So it was a surprise. How did you put it on? Just over your head?
Yeah, over my head, and I put it down, and then I close the back.
줄리아나의 관심은 온통 엘사에 쏠려 있는데 참 눈치도 없네요.
Let's go! Let it go!
So silly.
Am I silly?
She likes it. She's
Am I
dancing.
silly?
She's doing it.
Let it go!
어쨌든 거실엔 줄리아나가 좋아하는 캐릭터들이 총 출동했습니다.
Who's your favorite Juliana?
Do we get, hey, call. Did you guys go?
Are you sure you're not? You can tell me what your favorite is.
Trick or treat.
There you go. Who is this? Woody and what is that?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Isn't that cute? Do you like his pants?
You like my pants? It's a onesie. It literally is a onesie. Thank you for the candy.
Oh, do you love it?
Thank you.
Who's next? How about Elsa?
줄리아나를 위한 반짝거리는 하루를 선물해준 사람들. 정말 감사한 하루입니다. 겨울이 깊어지고 있습니다. 눈뜨자 달려오는 딸의 방에 스티브가 선뜻 들어오질 못합니다. 치료도 간호사에게 맡겼습니다.
Why am I sick? I got too tired and I was exposed to some germs and the germs are trying to take over my nose. I'm trying to evict them. I am.
친정엄마의 감기 처방은 코가 뻥 뚫릴 정도의 매운 라면. 한국 사위 9년째. 이 정도 젓가락질은 기본입니다.
You okay? It looks so good. Is it pretty? But it's kind of cool. Look, it's like kind of bumpy.
밖에서 선물 하나를 가져왔습니다.
Yeah, it's this.
이름은 알 수 없지만 작고 귀여운 열매입니다.
Do you think it's a strawberry tree or the bayberry bush?
A strawberry tree.
It's a strawberry tree. Do you think these are strawberries or do you think there's something different? All right, let's see.
외출을 한 지 벌써 여러 달이 지났습니다. 한번 감기에 걸리면 치명적이기 때문이죠.
You okay? By accident? Are you sure it's an accident?
보통 사람이 기침 한 번으로 해결할 간단한 일을 줄리아나는 하지 못합니다.
Juliana, is it on right? It's okay? This one?
지금 하는 이걸 우리는 조끼 치료라고 하는데요. 폐를 진동시켜서 노폐물을 끄집어 올리는 거죠. 작은 몸이 견디기엔 부담이 되기에 여러 번에 나눠야 합니다. 아이가 아픔에 집중하지 않게 우린 늘 장난을 겁니다. 하지만 참을성은 웬만한 어른보다 낫죠.
Juliana, can you do mad face? You don't want to do mad face? Stink eye?
That's embarrassing.
That's embarrassing. Can you do happy face? You used to do it so well.
Is that your happy face? Surprised? 착한 face. That's what that is. Do it. Do it your good behavior face. That's good behavior. Can you do one mad face? Just one. You don't want to do mad face. How about sad face? That's embarrassing too? Okay. You only want good faces.
줄리아나는 항상 진심으로 노래하고 살아가고 있습니다. 우리에겐 그게 바로 기적 같은 거죠.
All things being equal, she should have died last winter. Honestly, it's a total miracle that she survived last winter. Especially not even having another cold. So here we are, up against another winter. The dreaded fear is she'll get sick again. I do believe God is watching out for her, and I'm not sure what he has in his mind and plan for her, but I have to trust that. And another reason why we'll try to enjoy each moment we have with her, because she could be gone very soon.
그래서 하루하루를 의연히 살아가는 것이 중요합니다.
Does it hurt? Does it still hurt? Is it okay?
그런데 오늘 치장이 좀 유난스러워 보이죠?
I'm glad we didn't.
게다가 외할머니와 친할머니 모두 줄리아나 곁에서 대기 중입니다.
She's not adept at this.
5일 동안 매일같이 1시간 동안 30분 동안 학교하고 페이스타임 해요. 그러면서 그 클래스에서 가리키고 그러는 거를 직접 얘도 같이 보고 선생님이 줄리아나하고 대화도 하고 얘가 친구들도 이 스크린을 통해서 만나고 이렇게 그러니까 학교를 지금 여기서 하고 있는 거예요.
지난해 잠시 다녔던 유치원에서 배려해준 덕입니다. 벌써 수업이 시작됐나 보네요. 줄리아나는 매일 이렇게 친구들을 만납니다. 순간순간 자기의 몫을 사는 건 아름다운 일이죠.
Julianne, I wonder if you can see this too. Way up here, there is a paint bucket, and there is a paintbrush. What color is that paint, Juliana?
I cannot see it.
I'm going to bring it to you, okay? I'm going to bring it right up to you and see if you can see it.
Yellow.
It's yellow paint, right? It's yellow paint. All right. Now, Juliana, did we ask you yesterday to come up with something that has the letter X in it?
No. No.
That was an accident.
Okay. Should we say goodbye to Juliana? Say goodbye, Juliana.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
That's kind of what I see right now. It's a good time because she can still talk. Now, when she can't talk, that's going to change.
It's going to be really sad.
It's going to be hard to know how to communicate. But right now, she's doing what she's doing, and we're going to continue to love her and help her and try to find the ways to maintain that communication and that level of life that has value, for her.
집안 남자들에겐 오래 못다한 숙제가 있습니다.
Let's flip it over.
솜씨 좋은 시아버지가 지난해부터 시작한 일. 외출을 하지 못하는 줄리아나를 위해서 야외 데크를 만들고 계십니다. 집안과 바로 연결되는 베란다 같은 것이죠.
Come down towards you. 3/4.
시아버지는 줄리아나가 필요하다면 뭐든 손수 만들어 주십니다.
He's built the cart. He's built an exercise sled that she can lay down on. Back when she could move her legs more, we were working on full range of motion to get the full leg extension up and down. And that helped work the glutes and the quads, just to work those muscles full range.
아마도 이건 할아버지의 크리스마스 선물이 될 것 같습니다. 집안에서도 크리스마스 준비가 한창입니다. 때를 놓치지 말고 모든 순간을 즐기자. 이 말은 어느새 우리 집의 가온이 됐습니다.
So I thought we could put these in the front of the house. What do you think? Yes? You approve? Okay, very good. So I just need to put a ribbon on top, okay? What?
I think we should do lots of decorations.
No, you put it in the front of the house.
장난꾸러기 녀석은 한시도 심심할 틈이 없네요.
That's so funny.
But it's so funny.
한 해 동안 꿋꿋하게 잘 지낸 알렉스와 줄리아나. 부모에겐 그게 큰 선물인데 아이들은 또 다르겠죠?
Alright, so some people read about our family and they wanted to send presents. Isn't that nice? So these are people who you don't even know, but this lady's from Canada. She sent you and Alex some presents. Ready? Ready? Here you go. I don't even know what that is. That's a moon ball. Here you go. Look.
What about mine?
Isn't that beautiful?
What about mine?
You're next. I don't think you have this one. Is that
세계 곳곳에서 이렇게 선물을 보내주네요.
Close your eyes.
Only knew the power of the dance.
그런데 줄리아나가 자꾸 알렉스 것에 눈길을 줍니다. 공주 의상이 지겨워진 걸까요? 이제 보니 줄리아나가 조금 잘한 것 같기도 합니다.
Just get your head out like this.
유난스럽게 보이지만 이래야 합니다.
Alright, we good?
몇 달 만에 집 밖을 나서는 것이니까요.
Is it cold?
할아버지의 선물이 드디어 완성된 겁니다.
The winter sun is very low.
함께 바깥 공기를 맞는 게 얼마만인지 모릅니다. 뺨에 와닿는 차가운 바람과 햇살, 눈에 담기는 계절의 풍경, 이 모든 걸 함께 나누는 것이 진정 살아있는 것이겠죠. 그걸 알려준 건 줄리아나입니다.
Juliana means love to me. She's a great blessing. Even despite all the things that have happened to her, she has so much love. She is so special to me.
We're happy because we focus on really our kids, and Juliana is very happy despite everything.
올해도 줄리아나가 크리스마스를 맞습니다. 감사하고 또 행복한 일입니다.
Merry Christmas!
크리스마스라면 혹시 기적이 찾아올지도 모르죠. 하지만 우린 바라지 않습니다. 우리에겐 하루하루가 바로 기적이었으니까요. 줄리아나가 내년에도 크리스마스를 맞을 수 있도록 기도해 주세요. 여러분 모두 메리 크리스마스!
I love you.
I love you.
I like it.
I like it.
Say it again. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on. Give me a hug. Did you say cheese? Hark the aeroplanes will sing.